Hey guys, what's up? My girl Patriana here with Pat's second review, and today I want to review this Mysmile Dental Whitening Kit. So guys, this is a blue LED light that you insert into your mouth, but please turn on the light after you have the device inside your mouth. And you never, some housekeeping stuff here, never swallow the whitening gel, always do a patch test, even though this product is safe for sensitive teeth or gum. And also, if you're like pregnant or lactating, always consult with your doctor. And yeah guys, so if you want to have a brighter, whiter teeth, use this for continuously for 7 to 10 days, up to 14 days. You see the maximum result. I have a big event coming up next weekend, so I've been using this for like past 2-3 days. So I've been using it for the past 2 days, and I can see the result like pretty much immediate. My teeth get a lot whiter and brighter. Alright, you want to make sure the LED light is like away from your eyes. I'm gonna put a 0.5 solution onto the kit. I really like to have the measurement ready for you. I'm gonna make sure that everything's even. Going in, I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. It definitely didn't bother my gum or my teeth at all. Yeah, guys, overall, I really enjoyed the experience. I can tell that my teeth becomes lighter immediately after this. All right, guys, if you use the code Patriana, you can get 10% off. All right, hope you find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.